Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Florida sales tax online. First, you will need to register your business with the Florida Department of Revenue to get your sales tax account number. This is a crucial first step. Next, gather all your sales records, including both total sales and taxable sales for the specific filing period. Finally, access the Florida Department of Revenue's e-services portal to start the online filing process. This ensures you have everything ready before you begin. Once you are on the e-services portal, log in securely using your sales tax account number and your confidential password. After logging in, carefully select the correct filing period for which you are reporting sales tax. This prevents errors. Then, accurately input your total sales for that period, followed by specifying your taxable sales. Double-check these figures to ensure precision before moving forward in the system. After entering your sales data, the online system will automatically calculate the sales tax due based on the figures you provided. It is essential to carefully review all the data you entered and the calculated tax amount for complete accuracy. Take your time here. Also, ensure that any applicable deductions or exemptions are correctly applied before you proceed to the next step. This helps avoid any discrepancies. For the final step, choose your preferred payment method. Options typically include electronic funds transfer, which is often free, or using a credit card, which might incur a small fee. After verifying all information and payment details one last time, confirm your submission. Remember to retain a copy of your confirmation for your business records for at least 3 years. This is important for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.